What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, so we did the aux beam switch panel setup in the last video. This video we're actually going to install some ditch lights. These are the Rigid DSS-Pro. They've got the side shooting LEDs, and then I've also got some brackets that we're going to be mounting them on. Alright guys, let's unbox this stuff. So these are ditch light brackets that I got off of Amazon. I bought them for a super good price because I had spent so much money. I've been spending so much money, I wanted to save some money somewhere, you know, so I opted to go with these. If they suck, I'll buy the expensive ones. Yes, these have come from China. I'm not proud, but they look the same as the other ones. They're a thick metal. I want to say 3/16 steel. You got your mounting hardware. So it goes to the side. Next up, these are the Rigid DSS-Pro Ditch lights. Here we go. Pretty good size. They look great, man. This is the passenger side. It's got the side firing LEDs. Super stoked to get these on there and try them tonight so I can show you on the video. See how bright they are. I tried to find the amber ones. They didn't, so I did the next best thing. I actually got the covers, and I already put the cover on the other one. You see what they look like side by side. I think it looks great. Even with that cover on there, you see them side by side here. Get out of here. There you go. So I think what I'll do is I'll mount them and not put the cover on this one and leave the cover on this one, and then we'll be able to see the difference that this amber lens makes. All right, well, let's get to the install.
1 minute later.
But before we get to the install, let's see what else is in the box. You got your wiring harnesses here. And then we've got our brackets so that we can mount it onto these guys right here. And what else they send? Looks like they've got, you can register it online, got a rigid sticker. And then they've got some installation instructions for this DSS Pro series. It's cool. Okay, now we're ready to get started. It needs to be facing like this. So those are going to go into the slots right there. It's actually being held in place just by how the nut sits in there, because it sits in there real tight, allowing me to tighten it up. Yeah, we're tight. Okay, do the other side. There you go. And this is where you need another person's help. I need your help out here real quick. Okay, bye. Save the day once again. go. There we go. All right. What do you think? I'm gonna get that cinched down and then we'll do the other side. All right, guys, we're gonna get into the wiring part of this and get it all set up in the aux beam system. Here's our cord. It's got a plug. Same thing on the other side. And this is the wiring harnesses that they sent with it. And you see that's where you're gonna plug into the lights. They sent this too. You can set it up to where you can use a switch. We're not gonna use that. And I just got to figure out exactly what we're going to do with this. And I'll let you know as soon as I figure it out. All right, so this is what I've come up with here. This is for the left. This is for the passenger side light. This is for the driver. They come down to this point right here where they come together as one, a positive and a negative. I'm going to cut that. And this is the part that's going to go into the aux beam setup, and we'll control these. So, too easy. Let's get this done. Okay, so what I've done, I spared you having to see me zip tie anything else. But basically I ran this from this light, I ran the wires all the way over here and zip tied them all along the way. And then this one here, I just bunched, just ran loops and then zip tied the excess cord from this light. And now they've converged into two. And I'm going to give a little bit of slack, and I'm gonna cut that, and then I'm gonna put it in the 20 amp position on the aux beam, and we will be able to see if we got lights. Now we'll turn this switch back on because I turned it off just in case. All right, bad boy's ready to go live now. That, huh? Woo, those are bright. Dang, son. Those are bright. Okay, cool. Well, as soon as the sun goes down, I will take you guys out in the dark and we will see what they look like at night. Oh yeah, way better. It's way better with the phone for you guys to see. Look at that. Yeah, the GoPro just doesn't do it at night, guys. Woo! Yeah, that really, these rigid lights, man, I'm pretty pleased. Pretty pleased with them. Now I'm gonna put the lens on the other one just because I'm gonna go ahead and put the lens on the other one and see what it looks like with both of them with their amber lenses on. And I think that's gonna about wrap up this video. I want to say thank you if you've made it this far to the end of the video. Subscribe, like, all that good stuff. The next thing that we're going to be doing, I have Raptor lights to go on here. I've got rigid fog lights to go on here. I've got Morimoto headlights going on here. I've got a Victory front bumper coming, and we'll be installing a winch on there. Just so much. I got a rooftop tent coming. We're doing an install video on that as soon as it gets here. So thank you so much, and until next time, we'll see you out on the road.